Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. My mission is to run around 40 countries by just using Bitcoin. Join along to see how I eat, live, travel with Bitcoin. Hi, good morning. This is my last 2 hours in Plettenberg Bay. I am with my man JJ.
What's up?
What's up, man?
What's up, dog?
So we are gonna go onto the boat ride and then go catch my bus. I hope I don't miss my bus. Hey.
Good morning.
Let's do this. So this is Lisa.
Top of the morning to you.
Top of the morning,
How are
guys.
you, my little Indian leprechaun? This leprechaun.
Get on the boat.
Little Indian
You
leprechaun.
remember that?
Pot of gold.
Oh, you remember that. Okay, how do... Will I...
Gold is Bitcoin.
Oh, this is strong. Whoa.
Can I go? Oh, is it Kelly?
Wow, man. Thank you, Lisa. Let's do this.
Go, Kelly, go.
Huh?
Anastasia.
Really, we don't greet this friendly, but...
See? She likes it rough sometimes. But... Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! You gotta do that one which I taught you. Bye boat, see you. Alright man, it's 1:40. Let's go catch the bus. Oh, take care. See you. This is it, man. Goodbye, motherfucker.
Bye, Paco.
Love you.
Love you, Paco. Bitcoin, baby.
Bitcoin. That's our bus. I'm gonna come hug you there, bro. That's a wrap, man. That was beautiful meeting an old friend. I got him onto the Bitcoin standard, and this is the end of Plettenberg Bay, Curland, the garden route off to Joburg, White River. Peace, man. Into Cape, 19 hours bus. Let's go. $90 for the ticket, though. $90 freaking dollars, and no toilet facilities. It's much better than the last time. Let's go.